Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here for live painting with my new Viviva watercolor set and sketchbook. So this is Viviva square sketchbook having 100% cotton papers. These are cold pressed textured papers having 300 GSM thickness, which is perfect for watercolor painting. And this is the Viviva watercolor set. It has 16 beautiful shades. I had already swatched the colors. So let's start the painting. I'm starting with the drawing. I have chosen this lake view in front of me as it's looking beautiful in the morning. Now I'm applying water. Here I'm taking yellow ochre mixed with white to paint the morning sky. So this watercolor set has a space attached to it for mixing colors, which make this set convenient especially for live painting. The colors in the pen become smooth and buttery when water is applied to it. Even though these are cakes, it is very easy to take them out and mix for quick and speed work. Viviva colors are very bright and vibrant. Here I am painting the front tree. I am using deep blue color mixed with violet for this dark area. When you paint from life, you learn a lot as you observe the things directly from the nature. And having a mess-free material set is just a plus point to your plein air journey. Viviva colors not only provide quality products but also makes them portable and travel friendly for you. If you want to get these colors for yourself too, just visit the link given in the description. So the painting is completed. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. Link is given in the description. Thank you so much for watching.